Hello my lovely friends, today just a quick sneak peek out of my greenhouse. I will show you some interesting plants and what's growing in there. Let's start on the left hand side in here. So this is the Asian pigeon wings flower, which grows beautifully here all the time. And I also have to keep it under control because it may get like really weedy and bullying the other plants, so I have to trim it all the time and keep an eye on it. The other one here at the bottom, acting basically like a ground cover as well, is the fish mint. Beautiful plant. When flowering, got a beautiful white flowers. And it's a perfect replacement for fish sauce. So if you are cooking dishes with fish sauce and you live in subtropics, definitely worth having it. And it really smells fishy. That's why the name fish mint. And it's not only replacing the fish sauce, but it's also very healthy plant with lots of medicinal properties. It loves the shade in here, and yeah, usually also likes water, but I wasn't watering it very much when it was dry and was still growing. But also if you have pond, this plant would grow in your pond as well beautifully as a water plant. So the next one here is my beautiful eggplant, which is as old as the greenhouse itself, and this is probably about 3 years. And look at the stem, and it's still bearing beautiful fruits. That's the green Thai eggplant, or long green, I think Thai the name. So a good plant, really worth having it and enjoying the space here as well. I'm trimming it from time to time, and yeah, lives happily here. I've got some new capsicums growing in here which need to be taken care of as well, and I have to put it on the supports. So, but here what I want to show you is also as old as the greenhouse. It's my capsicum. This plant, it's amazing, and it's bearing beautiful, delicious capsicums all the time, summer and winter. Maybe if I get the time, I will sell some seeds. I already got some seeds from some of them because this is really worth propagating. Look at the fruits, delicious and beautiful, and most of all planted once and having fruits all year round. So really worth having plant like this. And I'm also trimming it from time to time and give it some good food, like some of the worm casting and worm juice, and it's happy. This is a new eggplant. This is the purple one, hoping it will be a good one as well. I've got some chili in here, which also grows for ages, at least 2 years in this place. Some cherry tomatoes. Now going to this side, also another beautiful eggplant. Pretty old as well. I think it's about 2 years old. And having beautiful eggplants basically all year round as well. So these are ready for harvest. So now next to it, my cayenne pepper chili. Also beautiful plant. Very happy in here. growing for 2 years now. Some parsnip in there. Another eggplant, just freshly planted. You can see the blue pigeon wings again starting to take over. I have to take care about it. This is the beautiful bell chili, or how you would call it. I'm not sure about the name. Also lots and lots of chilies. I already made chili powder and frozen some and so on. But this one I have to take care about it because the leaves don't look very happy. Another chili, about 1 year old. Here is a very hot chili, but it's also showing, I think they are lacking some nutrients. It looks pretty much like this. So I will have to take care about the greenhouse. Already some new chilies in here. And we are back here at the door on the other side. And some fish mint again. And also some brahmi, the memory plant in here. So yeah, pretty much all going well. I have to take care about some of the plants, but that's a normal maintenance. So I've got my little harvest for today. And we will make a nice dish out of it. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you still didn't, so you get notified about my next videos. And yeah, take care and see you next time. Bye bye.